Hello friends, welcome to our channel and app. In today's video, we will discuss what materials and tools are required to create beautiful origami and kirigami models. Before we start any project, it is essential to know what is required. Okay, let's get started. To create a great origami or kirigami model, you don't need anything expensive or fancy. What you really need is paper. But having the correct tools can make it easier and provide better quality for your models. I will like to irrit I will like to I will like to reiterate that you do not need to buy anything to start origami or kirigami, as most of the stuff you can find at home. So what material or tools can be helpful? So first you need a pair of good scissors. You do not need to buy any special scissors. You can use any scissor you have at home and it is sharp. For origami, scissors are only required to resize paper in square or different shapes if you are not using origami paper. But for kirigami, you need a sharp scissor to cut and modify the paper. Another good tool is paper trimmer. You can use it for both origami and kirigami to resize the paper. X-Acto knife is not required for origami, but it is essential for kirigami. You use the scissor for basic models, but when you are creating professional models, precision is the key, and you need to do fine fine trimming to create complicated designs. Pen or pencil is not really required for origami, as it pen or pencil is not pen or pencil is not really required for origami, as it is only needed to make the paper for size. Pen or pencils are not really required for origami, as it is only needed to mark the paper for size, example 6 by 6 inch or 8 by 8 inch, but it is essential for kirigami to draw the design that you will cut later. Eraser is not really required for origami, but for kirigami it will be helpful if you draw your design wrong or you did not like what you draw, so you can erase it. The use of metal ruler for both is sometimes required. If you want to resize your paper or like to draw a line, the use of metal ruler for both is sometimes required if you want to resize paper or like to draw a line. Stainless steel I prefer stainless steel with a cork in the back, as it does not ruin your delicate paper and also prevents slipping. Other important material is double-sided sticky tape and glue. Both are good to have for kirigami. For basic kirigami, you do not need double-sided tape or glue, but when you are doing complicated or 3D models, you need it. For origami, you do not require tape or glue, but you can use a little bit here or there to make your model straight. For origami, you do not require tape or glue, but you can use a little bit here or there to make your model better. Paper case is also a good keep to protect origami or kirigami paper. but you do not need to buy any special box. You can use any waterproof plastic box that can fit your paper without folding it. The other one is folding tools. It can be helpful if you do not have strong nails. It helps to smooth and score the fold with precision. I would like to mention again, you only need ruler, scissors and paper to create origami and kirigami. All other tools are optional. Now the question comes, what kind of paper? So as I mentioned before, it is not mandatory to use origami paper to learn or create beautiful. As I mentioned before, it is not mandatory to use origami paper to learn or create beautiful origami. You can use any paper as long as it is strong and can hold the folds, but the use of origami paper can help to create better and neat folds. There are many different origami paper types, which comes in different sizes, colors and patterns. Some origami paper are cheap and some are very expensive. So what is origami paper? Why they are different? Origami paper comes in different weights, sizes, colors and textures. To understand your paper, you should understand that origami paper comes in different thickness. Origami paper is usually a bit thicker than a sheet of newspaper, that is between 35 to 55 grams per square meter, and thinner than photocopier paper, that is 80 to 100 gram per and thinner than photocopier paper, that is 80 to 100 GSM. Origami paper weight in grams per square meter, that's GSM. The lower the GSM, the thinner the paper. Origami paper comes in different colors and shades, can be light to bright colors. Some are colored on one side and white on other. Example, cami paper. Some are colored on both sides. Example, tent paper. Some have prints, design, shiny foil or patterns on it. Before you decide on origami paper, you should know that origami papers come in different thickness and it is provided in the product description in GSM. Origami paper is typically thin and therefore easy to work with. Most origami paper is typically thin. Most origami model can be created by square sheet, but few require rectangle, triangle or pentagon sheet. For kirigami, paper with different sizes or shapes may be required, depends on the model. Here is the list of most famous origami paper. So mulberry paper is made from mulberry plant fiber. The fiber used to make mulberry paper shows in the fiber used to make mulberry paper shows in the finished product. This paper comes in different size, mostly rectangular. This paper comes in different sizes, but mostly rectangular. This paper is beautiful but sometimes hard to make folds, so not recommended for beginner. This paper is this paper is approximately 25 to 45 GSM, so very thin. The next one is craft paper. This paper is very thin, approximately 30 GSM, but strong and recommended for beginners. This paper is nice and flexible and can hold the creases better. Mostly it comes in brown color and in different sizes. You can buy a roll of craft paper and cut it into the required sizes. You can buy a roll of craft paper. It's very cheap and cut it in a you can buy a roll of craft paper, mostly it's brown, and cut it in the required sizes. So it will be very cheap. Another one is locked paper. That is handmade from Nepal plants, so little expensive. It has a thickness of 40 to 60 GSM, but very strong and flexible. Paper is good for beginner, but due to price, not suggested to use as a beginner. This paper is better. This paper is better for intermediate or expert. The next one is foil paper, thicker than the locked paper and around 50 GMS. It looks like aluminum foil on one side and white on the other. This paper gives a reflective and metallic look to your model. This paper comes in different sizes and color. This paper can hold the fold but not forgiving, which means you can have a fold by if you have a fold by mistake, you cannot erase it. Due to this reason, this paper is not recommended for beginners. So everybody's favorite is Kami paper, as this is the beginner's heaven. It is easy to fold and is still strong enough to hold the tears. It has a thickness of 60 to 63 GSM. It comes in different sizes, colors and patterns. It comes with color on one side or both. It comes with color on one side or both sides. It holds the creases well, but also very forgiving. For mistakes. If you are a beginner and still want to buy origami paper, I will suggest Kami paper. Other very strong and thickest paper is washi. It is made from long plant fiber. It comes with beautiful patterns and color. Because washi is thick, it is hard to form precise creases. It is also a little expensive, so not ideal for beginners. Yudsan is silky paper. Its base is washi but use silk screening technique. Yudsan is silky paper. Its base is washi but use silk screening technique for beautiful color and patterns. As this is made by hand, it is very expensive and not recommended for beginners. Last on the list is tent. It has a thickness of approximately 7 GSM, the thickest in the list. This paper has stiffness and texture and only come in solid double-sided color. It is ideal for beginners and expert both. Some economic, some economical origami paper are also available in the market. They comes in the pack of 500 sheets, 1000 sheets, or even 1500 sheets. They are not like these kind of paper, but they are still good for beginners. I will reiterate it again. To learn origami, you do not need to buy any special paper. You can use photocopy paper, brown paper, newspaper, wrapping paper, used or unused notebooks, flyers, wax paper, craft paper, etc. Really, as long as it's thin and flexible, easily foldable, and can maintain creases, any paper can be used for origami. Let's your imagination run wild. So precision is a key in origami. And as you know, precision is a key in origami and kirigami, and our videos will provide you step-by-step instructions even for one with no experience. Hope you got the basics and ready to learn this art now. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe to Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe to our channel and download our app. Thank you. So to learn beautiful art, subscribe our channel Asa Creation and download our app Origami and Kirigami.